In the past few episodes, we talked about something most people overlook in lighting, the fragmentation of the LED industry and how it affects on maintainability, product quality, hidden lifecycle costs, and why so many lighting systems become difficult to repair over time. But today we're taking this one step further, because the real problem doesn't stop at lighting. It extends into smart lighting. Everyone knows smart lighting is fragmented. Different protocols, different platforms, different control systems. Zigbee, Z-Wave, Matter, Daily, KNX, BACnet, Lutron, Crestron, Kasambi, etc., etc. Everything is connected, but not unified. Well, here's what most people missed. That's only half of the problem. Smart lighting is not just fragmented at the control level, it's built on top of another fragmented industry. Lighting is the most deployed infrastructure in buildings. That's why it became the default layer for IoT. But LED lighting also introduced a different kind of problem. It created massive product variation with highly customized fixture designs, and over time that leads to poor maintainability and inconsistent quality across installations. So what happens in real projects? Every smart lighting system becomes a custom system. Custom design, custom integration, custom commissioning, custom maintenance, and what is custom system cannot scale. The problem doesn't stop at the fixture level. At the control layer, things get even more fragile. Firmware updates break compatibility, devices stop responding after upgrades, commissioning tools change or disappear, integrators become system-dependent. So now we're dealing with two unstable layers. First, the physical infrastructure. Lighting fixtures are fragmented and not interchangeable. Second, the software ecosystem. Control systems are incompatible and constantly changing. Building smart lighting on this foundation is like building a city on sand. Not because the design is wrong, but because the ground keeps shifting and unstable. A scalable smart lighting system needs something different. Not more features, but a stable foundation. That means a physical infrastructure that is standardized. Components can be replaced, and electrical behavior stays predictable over time. Only then can the digital layer evolve. Smart lighting doesn't fail because it's too advanced. It fails because the infrastructure is not stable enough to support it. So if smart lighting isn't scaling the way as we expected, what's really holding it back? In the next episode, we'll break this down further. The real reason smart lighting doesn't scale.
If your lighting systems are becoming harder to maintain, you're not alone. Learn a different approach. https://r2u.connextube.com